Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. If you're new to the new cryptocurrency game, you've probably only heard of Bitcoin or some other Bitcoins. Well, altcoins are essentially cryptocurrencies that aren't Bitcoin but share a lot of the same functions and features as it. They are the best way to earn money in crypto today. So without any further delay, here are the top 5 altcoins to buy now. Number 5, SafePal or SFP. It's one of the most secure and powerful crypto wallets you can buy today. One of its most important features is that it's backed by Binance, which gives it a significant edge over its competitors. If you've been following this coin for a while, you know that it's gained a lot of new followers lately, and it's due to a massive spike in price. Since its launch in 2018, its price has always hovered around $1.7 to $3.5 with huge fluctuations without that much volatility, making it one of the best tokens you can invest in if you're a beginner. Take a look at other coins that have a similar pattern to SFP, such as DOT or DOT. They will either remain in their regular range, which means that you don't have to worry much about losing your investment, or they'll see a massive spike as DOT did in the past. In my opinion, as well as the opinion of many others, the fact that SFP is backed by Binance means it almost definitely will see a spike. Currently, its price is low, which makes it a perfect time to invest in the coin. But even if the price were at $3 or higher, SFP would be on my list simply because of the potential this crypto has. SFP is not extremely well known, and it needs some more time to truly become the next big thing, which is why it's slightly lower on my list than it should be. But don't let the number 5 placement deter you from investing in this coin, as it's not only an extremely safe choice, probably the best choice if you're new to crypto, but it is potentially might also be much higher than some of the other coins I talk about. Number 4, Dogecoin or Doge. Dogecoin is probably one of those coins that you already know about. So why is it on my list? Well, simply put, it's unstoppable. Dogecoin is crypto that started way back in 2013 as a joke, but today it's one of the most viable investments you can make in crypto, and it's also one of the cryptos with the highest market cap. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin's history here. When it first came out in 2013, there were a few people who invested a few cents into it as a meme, but it still managed to pull some decent cash. That was until the meme died out and people sort of forgot Dogecoin existed. From 2014 to 2020, Dogecoin was pretty much unmentioned aside from a joke here and there about it becoming the next Bitcoin. Well, in 2021, everything changed thanks to one man, Elon Musk. During the massive rise of Bitcoin earlier this year, Elon Musk thought it would be a good idea to personally invest huge chunks of cash into Dogecoin to revive it and also tell his millions of followers to do the same. The result? An over 1,000% increase in price, far outshining everything from Bitcoin to Ethereum in terms of increase in price. Well, why is it a good idea to invest in Dogecoin now if the price has already increased? That's what everyone said when Dogecoin saw its initial spike, but Dogecoin just keeps growing. There is simply no stop to this crypto, and it has the backing of billionaires like Mark Cuban, and Elon Musk will not let it fail. This would probably be a risky investment, but you should invest in Dogecoin as long as the hype is ongoing, or you can miss on one of the greatest opportunities of your life. Number 3, Trust Wallet Token or TWT. It is one of the hottest new tokens on our list and the one that can potentially be a game changer if you factor in its performance so far. TWT is a utility token that was started by Trust Wallet, which itself is a crypto wallet. Back in August of 2020 as a BEP20 token, it was meant to provide Trust Wallet users a range of benefits that made crypto trading easier for them. But the token itself emerged as a potential investment opportunity. TWT is not limited to just the Trust Wallet. It also can be traded at most major crypto exchanges, such as Binance and many other exchanges. In terms of utility, though, it is quite limited outside the Trust Wallet system, which still doesn't make it bad as an investment. If we take a look at the short history of TWT when launched in August, it remained relatively unknown for a few months until its price shot up from $0.01 to $0.16 in August. After a stable few months around that price, it financially gained traction early this year when its price once again shot up. This time to $0.67, where it has been lingering for the past few months. Its price managed to reach as high as $0.87 before taking the dip in currently making it the prime time to invest in TWT. Investing in TWT is not very risky. It isn't nearly as volatile as other cryptocurrencies, but it hasn't really seen that surge yet. It's still in its infancy and has the potential to multiply by a lot. If you're looking for a new token that could potentially earn you a lot of money as more people find out about it, TWT might be the coin for you. Chainlink, that's my number 2 choice, or Link. Link, all simply, has been one of the stars of the crypto world for the past year. It started out as a decentralized Oracle network with a $32 million investment from Sergey Nazarov back in 2017. But today, it has managed to reach a market cap of over $15 billion. From 2017 to 2018, Link gained very little traction with its price remaining within the $0.4 to $0.6 range with a few peaks here and there, but by 2019 the price managed to reach over $1, which was a major milestone for this crypto. 2019 to early 2020 was a great period for Link, with its price going from $1 to $4, having more than tripled. But the real game changer was what happened later that year. Link's price in 2020 managed to go from just $4 to over $18. This sort of exponential growth entered Link into one of the crypto world's big leagues. Its performance has also been impressive since then. While it saw a few dips, which is to be expected from any crypto, don't think of it as a sign of failure. The crypto kept seeing peak after peak since late 2020, hitting $24 in January this year, $34 in February, and $43 in April. That's $43 from a crypto that was just some obscure coin just 365 days ago. Currently, Link is in the middle of a major dip, which makes it the perfect time to invest. The crypto is still relatively unknown, but it is expected to be one of the most major players of the crypto world in the future, which means you should definitely invest in it before it sees its next round of exponential growth. My top choice and my number 1 is Ripple X, or aka XRP. If you've been paying any attention to the market these past few months, very few cryptos have made as much noise as XRP has. XRP is a crypto that goes back to the root purpose of cryptocurrencies and tries to establish an actual alternative payment system for the world that isn't regulated by central banks. XRP specifically takes on existing systems like SWIFT that banks around the world rely on and provides a much faster and more cost-effective alternative. Buying XRP is quite simple, as almost every crypto exchange carries the crypto. The main reason many people are reluctant to invest in XRP is the potential for banks to fire back at the crypto, as well as the volatile history of the coin. It was launched in 2013 to very little fanfare, and its price remained almost nothing until 2019, when it saw a regular burst in price from nothing to almost $3.4 before crashing back down to $0.7, which was still higher than before the burst. Since then, its price remained firmly within the $0.2 to $0.4 range until in April, its price once again shot up to $1.7. The price of XRP is currently at a dip, making it the perfect time to buy. A lot of experts have shown confidence in XRP and its future. The technology behind the XRP is much more secure than other cryptos, and its market cap is absolutely huge, over 57 billion with a B billion dollars. XRP is one of the few cryptos that actually have a chance at being the next BTC or Ethereum. If you're willing to take a slightly larger risk, you might end up changing your life. That's a wrap for the top 5 best altcoins to buy now. Which of these altcoins do you think could be the next big thing? Let me know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you next time.